Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Justice Emmanuel Aqua and this is Mr. J Graphics. Today I'm going to teach you how to brightness your picture for your design. Especially most of the time, a lot of graphic designers out there, sometimes when you are doing, when a client can give you a picture for a design, but you can realize that the design look a little bit darker for your design. So before that, your client will not tell you, I want you to brightness the picture, but you being a designer, this should come in your mind that no, I have to bright the picture, let the picture look a little bit attractive. And this is what I'm going to teach you today. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, let me go. Okay, I have my picture right here, and looking at this picture look a little bit darker, and now I'm going to make sure that the brightness, I need to show up the brightness of this picture. But before that, let me so what I'm going to do first is so I'm going to create, first of all, let me press Ctrl J. Okay, then I duplicate that. So I'm going to use this one and then maintain the original one. Okay, so now I'm going to brightness, going to show up the brightness of this picture. So first of all, I'll go to image. Right from image, you come to adjustment. From adjustment, you come to brightness or contrast. Okay, so you have this right here. What you have to do is just increase this to this end. All right, and then increase it a little bit, and now decrease the contrast right there. Okay, so you increase it a little bit like that, let's say 40. Okay, 40 pixels, and then decrease.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so now you can see the difference. Okay, this is before. This is before, this is after. This is before, this is after. So when you're doing the work, the client will tell you that brightness the picture. You being a graphic designer or you being a designer, you have to know that I have to increase the brightness of this picture. So this is very simple. All right, so guys, this is going to be the end of this tutorial. Please, if today be your first time, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the like button so that YouTube will suggest some of the videos or will suggest this video to other people to enjoy as well. So thank you so much, and big outs to all the new subscribers. I'm giving shout outs to all of you. If you want me to give you a shout out, just leave your comment and I'm going to mention your name and give you a shout out on the next video. My name is Justice and I'm out. God bless you.